Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Ramp for AI expense reporting automation, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Ramp website.
Once you're on the home page, locate the Get Started button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process.
You'll be redirected to a sign-up page where you can enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. After entering your email, create a secure password for your account.
Ensure your password is strong, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password by typing it again in the provided field.
Once you have filled out the necessary fields, look for the Sign Up or Continue button. Click on that button to proceed with your registration. You will then receive a verification email in your inbox. Open your email and locate the message from Ramp. Click on the verification link included in the email to confirm your address. Once verified, return to the Ramp website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you may be prompted to complete your profile information. Fill in the required fields, such as your company name and role. Next, you may need to provide financial information related to your business. This could include bank details or accounting software integrations. Follow the prompts to enter any necessary financial data accurately. Once your profile and financial information are complete, submit the form. You will then receive confirmation that your account has been created successfully. After your account is set up, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Look for the option to set up expense reporting automation. Follow the guided prompts to customize your reporting preferences. Integrate any necessary tools or software that you use for expense management. After integration, set up the rules and categories for your expense reporting. Once everything is configured, test the automation feature to ensure everything is working smoothly. Monitor your expense reports regularly to make any needed adjustments in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.